We are extremely overwhelmed to welcome you all for this solemn function, which incidentally falls on the memorial day of our missionary zeal and great visionary, our most respected Founder Secretary, Sir. Our institution owes all its credits to our Founder Secretary, Vidya Seva Ratnam, Guru Seva Mani, Auditor Sri K. Santanam, Sir. He incepted our institution with a vision in the year of 1998 and named it after his Guru, the greatest ever principal of National College, Professor V. Saranathan. Graduation day is always a day of rejoicing, for it marks the conclusion of an educational journey and the commencement of another, more uncertain and more difficult path of a man's quest for a better life and future. Truly, today signifies the culmination of many years of hard work in the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Knowledge will enable a person to embrace the opportunities and take on the challenges with clear vision and purpose. Rise up while the academic procession enters the auditorium and resume standing until the academic procession gets settled on the dais. Graduates, please rise up while the academic procession enters the auditorium and resume standing until the academic procession gets settled on the dais. Graduates, take your seats only after all the members of the academic procession get seated on the dais. On behalf of the management, staff and students, we extend a warm welcome to our Vice Chancellor of Anna University. Hearty welcome to all the dignitaries. Graduates, please be seated. Our beloved parents are required to occupy the seats at the back side of the auditorium. Let's now begin the graduation ceremony of our esteemed institution, which is named after a great professor by our founder secretary, with an invocation.
The function of prayer is not to influence God, but rather to change the nature of the one who prays. To begin with, let us invoke the God's blessings with our college prayer song followed by Tamil Varthu. May we request everyone to stand for the invocation.
यो देवश्रुतिशेखरेषु विदितः यं वासकं जानते येन भ्राम्यति लोकजालमखिलं यस्मै नमस्कुर्वते यस्मानां परमस्ति किञ्चिदपि वै यस्याङ्गं भूतं जगत् यस्मिन् तिष्ठति सर्वमेव भुवनं कुर्यासनो मङ्गलम् நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராரும் வதனமென திகழ்பரத கண்டமிதில் தெக்கணமும் அதிசிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே முன் சீரிழமை திறம் வியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
Please be seated. I take immense pleasure in requesting our Honorable Secretary, the sculptor of determination and self-confidence, who incessantly sizzles only the excellence of individuals, to declare the graduation ceremony open.
The graduation day ceremony of the college has been called to distribute the degrees in the various disciplines offered in the college to the candidates who, in the examinations held for the purpose, have been certified to be worthy of the same.
It's a moment of welcoming the dignitaries on the stage. May we now take the pleasure of requesting our secretary to welcome the gathering and then introduce the chief guest of the day.
Respected chief guest of today's function, Dr. R. Velraj, Vice Chancellor, Anna University, Chennai, Principal, Professor and Head R&D, members of the Governing Council, members of the staff, blooming graduates and their parents, representative of the press, good evening to all of you. As the secretary of this august institution, I take the pride and privilege in welcoming and introducing our chief guest, Dr. R. Velraj, Vice Chancellor, Anna University, Chennai. He had his bachelor's from Annamalai University in Mechanical Engineering and master's on Energy Engineering from Anna University. His doctoral research was at Anna University, and part of his research work was carried out in Solar Institute, Jülich, Germany, under the DAD Fellowship by Germany. Dr. R. Velraj is a professor for energy studies and specialized in thermal energy storage solar energy, desalination, energy efficient buildings, energy auditing and management, and fundamental studies of research with the Technical University Munich, Germany, University of Birmingham, UK, and Concordia University, Canada. He was the principal investigator of a major research grant of rupees 15 crores on renewable energy and executed another project with IIT Madras on solar desalination. He had published 250 research articles in journals of high repute, and 37 candidates have so far finished PhD under his guidance. The high quality of his research is indicated by the high citations of 15,600 with high index of 64. It will take quite some time to list all his awards, honors, membership in international forums, and the contributions as a consultant. We are very fortunate to have a scientist of very high standard as our chief guest. I am sure every one of you will agree that we have the most suitable person for the graduation day. Sir, our institution was founded by Vidya Sevaratnam, late Sri K. Santanam in the year 1998. Today, 27th April, is his memorable day. Last time, Memorial Day. He named the college after his guru and the greatest ever principal of National College, namely Professor Saranathan. Since then, our college has progressed by leaps and bounds. We have celebrated our silver jubilee on 10th March 2024. Dr. V. Kamakoti, Director IIT Madras, Chennai, was the chief guest, delivered the silver jubilee address, and declared the memorabilia of our founder secretary open. I am happy to state that 12 of our students have secured university ranks in the examinations of 2023. I congratulate all of you who have entitled themselves to get degrees on this graduation day. I wish you all the bright future ahead. Let me conclude with a few maxims to the new graduates. You are all Saranathanites and born to win. Think big. With confidence and determination, you can reach great heights. Loyalty and commitment to your employer is very important. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. Ladies and gentlemen, may we now request our respected Secretary, sir, to felicitate our Honorable Vice Chancellor with a memento. Also, we request our Council Member, Dr. R. Mathrubudham, sir, to adorn the Vice Chancellor with a shawl. Thank you, dignitaries.
May we now request our respected principal to present the graduation report to this August gathering.
Distinguished Chief Guest, Professor D. Velraj, Vice Chancellor of Anna University, Honorable Secretary, respected members of College Committee, Head R&D, heads of various departments, faculty members, members of the press, parents, and graduates. A very good evening to all. A parental dream is coming true. You, the graduate students, celebrate a milestone in your life and look towards a new horizon. On this wonderful occasion, I take great privilege in welcoming you all to the 21st graduation day. Dear students, the college has enhanced its brand image to even higher levels than it was when you left your alma mater after you took your final semester examination in 2022. I thought I would share a few highlights with you so that you can feel proud that you are a product of Saranathan. Please recount these details with the pride so that the word spreads around. One of the most significant achievements is that we have celebrated the Silver Jubilee year by our hard work, perseverance, dedication, humility, generosity, and inspiration. This year marks a milestone of knowledge in the record of Saranathan College of Engineering. I am sure you all, as the principal stakeholder in this institution, would already know that we had got accreditation by NBA of 6 UG programs, and now all 6 branches got re-accredited by NBA, a feat unmatched by any other institution in the region in the recent past. That programs offered by this institution have had continuous accreditation ever since is something each one of us can be proud of. Besides these program accreditation, the excellence of the institution was recognized in 2021 by NAAC, accrediting us with A+ grade in the first cycle itself. The most precious stone in the crown of the institution was the conferment of autonomous status by UGC and Anna University. Students, now let us come to you and your batch, the real reason we have assembled here. I am very proud to announce that among the 2022 batch consisting of BE, BTech, ME, MBA, 669 students have successfully completed their course to receive their degrees. 625 candidates will receive their BE, BTech degree, 8 candidates will receive their ME degree, and 35 candidates will receive their MBA degree. I am very glad to announce that 5 students from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, 2 students from Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, 2 students from Instrumentation Control Engineering, 1 student from Computer Science and Engineering, 1 student from Information Technology, 1 student from Civil Engineering. Totally 12 students have brought laurels to our institution by securing university ranks. It is again a matter of pride and pleasure to report that among 669 graduates, 127 of them have graduated with distinction and 540 with first class. This is an enviable achievement made possible only because of active involvement of the management combined with the tireless dedication of the faculty members and coupled with smart and disciplined work by you, our students. The 2022 batch was one of the batches to be affected by changes that the pandemic brought with it. Everyone was on a learning curve. Administrators, medical practitioners, health workers, and of course, the faculty, students, and parents. Despite all those unforeseen hurdles, you all have successfully completed your course to claim your graduation. For this achievement, your batch deserves a special mention here. Today, we are going to witness one of the rarest occasions in a graduation day. The young graduates are going to receive the degree certificates from hands of the person who had signed them as the Vice Chancellor under the university emblem. This is a very rare and a lucky occasion for a graduate, and this rarer of the rarest coincidence will make today a very special and unforgettable event in your life. My sincerest wishes to all the graduates of the 2022 batch for a successful, prosperous future and a satisfying career. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. May we now invite our Honorable Vice Chancellor to deliver the Convocation Day address.
Good evening to one and all. Respected Secretary Mr. Ravindran, Principal Dr. Valavan, Head R&D Mr. Nadarajan, and all heads of the departments, faculty members, students and parents. I am very proud to stand before you on this 21st Graduation Day celebration. I am very glad to note that 13 of your classmates secured university rank and more than 100 students secured first class with the distinction. First, I would like to congratulate all the students who have come here to receive your degree, your 4 years, and masters, those who have completed master's degree, 2 years of your contribution. So today you are going to receive the degree for your hard work. I also should congratulate all your parents who have come here for their fullest support and made you to achieve this. So my best congratulations to all the parents. It is the achievement for them also. So on this momentous occasion, I would like to give some small points which may be very useful for your career, to succeed in your career. These small tips I want to give. Now, I heard many of you would have joined in some job. Very few of you would have joined for higher education, that is post-graduation, and you may be doing extremely well in your career. You should know at this juncture what is the scenario, what is your strength, whether you are in the right direction, whether you should not change your career path after 10 years. You should know your strength. You should know your strength, whether are you in the right direction in your career. That first you should assess. You all should know what is the strength of this country as of now. When we studied, this country was not that rich, or the ecosystem was not that good to carry out, to proceed our career in a big way. But in the present scenario, the opportunity is plenty for all the youths, all the students who have completed their higher education, particularly in engineering education. The opportunity is very, very high. All the developed nation became very old country. They all depend on Indian youths for their development. So the opportunity for you is not only in this country, it is there throughout the world. Today morning, I had discussion with the Consulate General of Republic of Germany. She visited our university and she was telling they want lot of young graduates from India for their requirement. Same way, last year alone, I visited 2 times. The Japan government invited some top rank institutes, directors and vice chancellor to have a discussion with their universities and their organizations. They want lot of bright students from this country for their requirement. So the opportunity is plenty. So you should know the strength of this country is individual, every one of your strength. Now youth power is the major strength of this country, and you are all born in this era. Now our country is fast growing. In the next 20 years, in the next 2 decades, this country will become a powerful country in the world. definitely within 5 rank in the total world scenario, our country will march. The economic growth will be very, very high. Every one of you should participate in that, and you also should win in the game. Thereby, our country also will win. So, okay, I told you your strength you should know. How do you analyze your strength? In what path you should proceed? In the next 20 years, the total change in the engineering field is automation. Total automation is going to take place in all sectors. Not only, you don't think that people who have studied, students who have studied only computer science or electronics or IT only can contribute for this automation. It is all the students, civil, mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, all these students' contribution is required for this automation that is making this all engineering sector getting automated. But for which, what is the small gap you need to fill that you should know? The small gap, most of just before I came here, I was discussing with your faculty members. Then I told, if most of you are getting an average salary of some 4 lakhs per annum, but if you are able to fill the small gap, then your salary structure will become 6-fold, 7-fold higher than what you are getting. What you need to know, what you need to learn further, multidisciplinary knowledge you need to have. In one discipline, you need to have in-depth knowledge, but all-round knowledge in many fields is required. So if you are a civil or mechanical engineer or electrical engineer, you should learn something in artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, IoT, all these you have to learn, and then you can power your field. That is what the present industry requires. So you should know what you need to develop further to increase your strength several fold. Small additional value contribution will give so much value for your career, in your career. All these days, then another thing, all these days when we studied, only knowledge is important. Knowledge in a particular field, the basic understanding of this subject is required to succeed in our career. But now, this knowledge alone is not sufficient. You need to develop skill. You need to develop skill. You should know what is the difference between knowledge and skill. Knowledge, what you learn from the subjects, from the teachers, you will get. But the skill, you need to practice. You need to work hard. Then only the skill will get developed. The skill, several thousands of bright engineers have developed some softwares. That software, how to use for the benefit of industry, will not get from the subject knowledge. It will come only by practice. So that practicing will give skill for you. That skill is also very essential to give more contribution to these companies in nowadays. So these companies, what they expect, you should have lot of skill in several softwares. So already everything is almost automated. Now the things are going to, in the real field, you have to make some changes. So you need to work hard and practice and learn lot of several software in your field of interest. That will give lot of power to you. You can contribute in a very big way for your organization. Along with your knowledge, if you have skill, you will become a successful person. So that you should understand first. Then one more thing also I used to tell, that knowledge and skill, if you have, in the first few years of your career, it will be very useful. The knowledge and the skill will be very useful in first some 4 to 5 years in your career. It will help you. But after that, you need to develop some team effort, and you should know how to get the work from your juniors. That will not come only with the knowledge and skill. You should develop good attitude, how to talk with the people, how to bring a teamwork in your group. That requires a lot of very good attitude you need to inculcate in the young age itself. Suddenly it will not come. If a person with the ego will fail, though he has very good knowledge and skill, he cannot become successful as a manager or a leader. So initially, after some few years of your experience, 4 to 5 years in your career, you should become a manager. After that, you should become a leader. So when you become a manager, how to get the work from the other juniors, it requires a lot of good attitude. Otherwise, nobody will listen you. Nobody will listen. Whatever you are telling, nobody will respect. If you have very good attitude, you can get the work done from others. So, in many organizations nowadays, you do not know how you are assessed by the organization. In organizations, different types of organization, the requirement will be different. Some of the research organization, they need more knowledge than skill. But industrial sectors, if you see, they need more skill than the knowledge. So based on the requirement, they will assess you. Suppose for 100 mark, if you are evaluated, your knowledge, if you have some 80 marks, then you are assessed for your skill. You have 90 marks. Your average mark is now 85. But one more person will be there to assess your attitude by asking some question. Nowadays, very good tools are available. Very good. The people can very easily assess your attitude by asking few questions that you do not know that you are evaluated for your attitude. But they will evaluate your attitude. Suppose your attitude is only 50%, that 85% mark will become half. Knowledge mark plus skill mark, don't think this attitude mark will be added with that. It will not be added. The knowledge and skill will be multiplied with the attitude. So if the attitude is 0, a person's knowledge and attitude also will become a 0. If the attitude is 0, though he has 90% mark in knowledge and skill, his total mark will become 0. So your phone is ringing. Huh? Mine. Okay. No. Okay, so you understood the importance of attitude, which is much more than knowledge and skill. Then, what area you need to work? What area? All the students should know the basic requirement as an engineer where you need to contribute. You need to contribute in the societal relevant sectors. So what are all the societal relevant sectors? If you see all total field, I can bring as agricultural is the basic requirement. Then health is the next best requirement. Then energy, environment. So these 4 sectors, most of the people you will be contributing directly or indirectly. So where, for what you are working, the most demanding field will be health. The health is now highly demanded. So what field you do not know, the final ultimate beneficiary is the human for health requirement. So you should focus where you are working, what field your contribution is finally going to help. So mostly these 4 fields, health, agriculture, energy related area, and now because of the energy, environment is also getting disastered. So how to protect this environment and sustainability, lot of demand is required, is there. So you should know where if you start doing work, your growth is sustainable. Your growth is also sustainable. If you are in a field where after 5 years, the requirement is not there. After that, you will become obsolete. So you should know in which field you are contributing, whether there will be a sustainable growth for your requirement. So these are the 4 basic sectors all engineers need to contribute. But how you can contribute, whether you are a computer engineer or a civil engineer, one field alone is not sufficient. For all these fields, in the next 2 decades, combined multidisciplinary and transdisciplinary requirement is there. Computer engineer should join hands with the civil engineer, and if you start thinking, you can do lot of wonders. Electrical engineer, if they join with some artificial intelligence or a machine learning knowledgeable person, you can do wonders. So this transdisciplinary, wherever you are working, you try to join hands with other disciplinary people, then your thinking also will be innovative. Innovative ideas are required in the coming days to power the engineering sectors. The innovative ideas will come only with multidisciplinary or transdisciplinary knowledge. That you should understand. So we have 5 fingers in our hands. These fingers are of different length. If they are of same length, it cannot do the purpose. It is working like a robot. Like that, this finger, only if they are of different length, you are able to make anything you can make with this. Like that, people with the different capabilities join together, they can make wonders. If you have friendship only with your classmates, mechanical classmates, innovation will not come. Just I had a discussion with all your HODs. I told all the mechanical faculty should join hands with the other disciplinary, either physics professor or in the computer science professors. Then only this lot of innovation will come in the near future. And additional opportunity for all the youngsters in the coming years, this government is trying to promote the startup ecosystem in a very big way. The startup ecosystem is booming in a very big way. You should know when some 8 years ago, this country had only 400 startups. Only very recently, our government, both the central government and state government, understood the need to promote startup ecosystem. In the last 8 years, these 400 numbers, startup increased to 1,20,000 startup now we have. Out of them, more than 100 unicorn companies means more than $1 billion US dollar revenue. If they can make that, then they are called unicorn. The small companies became unicorn within these 8 years. This is because very good ecosystem which is developed in our country for the benefit of our youths. So when we studied, if we have some concept, if we have some ideas, it is not possible to start a business. During our period, only rich people can start a company. Only rich people, those who are capable of making lot of investment, can start a company. But now the scenario is totally different. If you have knowledge and if you are able to take risk, people are starting a company and they become billionaire within 2 years. Because now it is knowledge economy. With the knowledge, one can become a billionaire within a short period of time. The only thing, you should have the courage to take risk. There only you need to have collaboration with the different kind of people, because to start a company, one person's expertise is not sufficient. You need different kind of, one person may be very technically very strong. If he thinks that he can succeed in starting a company, he cannot do that. One of his friends may be having a very good capability of sales capability. Another person's who knows how to convince any people, different, how to discuss with the government, one person will be having capability. So if they all join together, and now this very good ecosystem is there, how to convert your ideas into business. You should know there is a difference between invention and innovation. Invention is possible only by experts. Invention means it is with some scientific principle you will find something by doing research and all. But innovation is totally different. Whatever, if you have basic capability, understanding capability on seeing, wherever you are seeing, if you have some very good observing capability, you can make innovation. But innovation is, there is a difference between invention and innovation. Innovation, you can scale up and convert into in a very good successful business in a short period. So innovation may be small thing also, not necessarily in a scientific innovation. It can be in a day-to-day life. If your mother is suffering for something, why she is suffering to do that work, what kind of things you can make change, then that will give a very big business opportunity in the society. So this kind of business promotion is required in the coming years, for which the opportunity is plenty in the country. Many of you, if you start looking on that side, you will become a very good successful person. You will not depend on job, you will become a job provider. Instead of job seeker, I want many of you should become a job provider. Then that only will give the growth for this nation. So you have studied in a good reputed college. I heard this in this region. This is the best institute. You got an opportunity to learn in this institution. You may not be knowing your strength. You would have gained something out of this college. But what you can do with this for the nation, if you start thinking, the universe will help you, definitely you will become a successful person. But you should take a risk. You should start taking small risk. Then you will become a powerful person. So I told you, those who want to pursue job or research, what you need to, you should have very good knowledge and skill along with the transdisciplinary approach you need to follow. The transdisciplinary knowledge means in-depth knowledge in one field and lateral knowledge in many fields. If you have, you can become successful in your career. But if you have some risk-taking capability and joining with many students, if you are able to form a team, then you can become a successful entrepreneur in the coming years. But for all this, one more essential thing that also finally I want to tell, I told the importance of attitude. In your career, if you want to become a successful person, along with the knowledge and skill, attitude I told. Attitude, if any person is not having attitude, I have seen many of my research scholars who are very highly powerful and capable of doing anything in the subjects. They are very good people, but they are not able to get very good administrative position in their institution because only small ego they have. They cannot become a leader in any organization. So not only in the career life, they also miserably, they will fail in the family life also. These people who are not having good attitude, they will fail in their career as well in the family life. So my sincere request is, you should introspect yourself. Introspection once in a week, what events happened during the last 1 week, if you are able to see where you failed, where you succeeded. So you should introspect yourself and you can correct yourself if you take some effort. So thereby you can change your attitude. But after few years, after you complete your 30 years or after you enter in your 30 years, then it is very difficult to change your attitude. Then you will become part and parcel. Then whatever you have gained, that you will become a different personality. After that, changing is very different. But finally, to become a successful person in all your endeavors, one more important requirement is there, that is blessings. Blessings, particularly from your parents, is very essential to become successful person in any event, anything. If you start, if you have blessings from your parents, definitely you will win. Not only from your parents, if you are able to get blessings from all your well-wishers, and you should know how to win your enemies also. How to win your enemies, you can get blessings from your enemies also with good attitude. With good attitude, you can win your enemies also. If you are able to win your enemies through your good attitude, you will, that blessings nobody can win. No, you will definitely win. Whatever challenges it is there, you will win. So you should know in your career lot of challenges will come. The challenges also you should know how to convert into opportunity. Your strength you should know. In addition to the strength, in the life there may be so many challenges will come. How to convert these challenges into opportunities, then you will become a successful person. Challenges, some weakness also you should have. How to convert that weakness also into opportunity, you should know. Then I told, before I came here, I discussed with your faculty members about the resistance. Always there will be a small inertia. If you are able to overcome that inertia, then the growth will be very, very high. Exponential growth will be there. Exponential growth you will get if you are able to overcome the small inertia. So always the whole one mantra I used to tell to all my students about, you all would have studied Ohm's law. Ohm's law, the flow, current flow is directly proportional to potential difference, and it is inversely proportional to resistance. So for any flow, this law you can apply to anything happening in this world. Any event happening in this world, this law will be applicable. For you to become successful, your flow will be very high with some driving potential only. With the driving potential, you may be getting that drive now from your parents. Most of you will get some drive, very good drive for your growth from your parents. But always it will be associated with some resistance. That resistance, most of your youngsters, the present day resistance is WhatsApp and other social media and chatting with, most of the time you are spending your time with phones. So that is killing your time. So like that, many resistance may be there. Some of the most dangerous resistance is getting addicted in some things. So on any case, you should not get addicted for something. That is the highest resistance. You cannot come out from that. So if you are able to identify what resistance is retorting your flow, that is growth, if you are able to remove that resistance, then your growth will be very, very high. With the same potential, the growth for different persons will be different, because the associated resistance will be different for different persons. So you should know how to remove the resistance which is coming through various surroundings, that if you are able to overcome the resistance, you will become successful. So finally, as a teacher, I will conclude everything. So this knowledge, skill, not sufficient, attitude is more important, and then transdisciplinary work is very, very essential. You should know how to make teamwork, and finally, the blessings from parents and all well-wishers is very important. You should not fight with anybody for anything. You should try to make enemies also as friends, then you will become because you need not spend time to counter the enemies. All time you can spend for development. So that is very, very important. This message you take for your career growth, and all the best. I congratulate all the students and parents for your success. This success should continue forever. You need to have sustainable growth throughout your life. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your mesmerizing, alluring speech. It is indeed an inspirational message you have imparted this evening. Thank you, sir.
May we now take an immense pleasure of inviting our respected principal to invite the chief guest to present the degrees.
Let me take the pride of inviting the chief to give away the shield and the degree certificates.
May we now take the pleasure of inviting our respected head R&D to present the rank holders.
I, R. Natarajan, present unto you the candidates in person in the various disciplines who have been certified by the examiners to be duly qualified to receive the degrees of the Anna University. First, I would like to call the university rank holders. Harish P.K., ICE, second rank. Sweta R., ICE, Sweta R., ICE, third rank. Vinodini M., Mechanical Engineering, seventh rank. Sindhuja R., ECE, ninth rank. Charulata, Civil Engineering, 10th rank. Pooja D., ECE, 10th rank. Talisma Parveen M., Mechanical Engineering, 10th rank. Srinivasan M., Mechanical Engineering, 19th rank. Abdul Fahim is at Mechanical Engineering, 23rd rank. Dileepan R., Information and Technology, 24th rank. Vaishnavi Devi V., Computer Science and Engineering, 26th rank. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
The most awaited moment. Yes, it's time to acknowledge the talent of our brimming buddies. The fruit of hard work and discipline will finally be reaped. You will now be receiving your degree certificates, a symbol of accomplishment from the chief guest. Candidates receiving the degree certificates are asked to come forward as their names are called. Let the candidates be presented now by the respective HODs. May we now request Dr. A. Belinjude, sir, Professor and Head, Department of Civil Engineering, to present the graduates from the Department of Civil.
I, A. Belinjude, present unto you the candidates in person in civil engineering discipline who have been certified by the examiners to be duly qualified to receive the BE degree of the Anna University. Abhishek B., Ajay K., Ashraf Nijamuddin Mustafa, Chandru P., Dinesh K., Dinesh Kumar G., Elirarsi S., Gokul B., Gokul T., Govindaraj, Harinivas M.R., Harish M., Harita Balaji, Inian M., Inba Nitish Kumar M., Jashal Salim, Krishnamurthy N., Kumaraguru M., Logeshwar G. Mageshwaran S. Mohammad Khalid M. Mohammad Naufal R. Mohammad Tariq K. Mohan Kishore S. Palanikumar M. Puvadarani R. Priyadarshini P. Rohan Arnachalam G. Rupa Lakshmi S. Sangalpa Om. Sriram S. Sivaprasad V. Saumya SS. Srinidhi B. Subhash Gurubaran G. Subhiksha S. Sudarmari N. Sudarshan S. Suhail Ahmad N. Swati M. Taufik Jamal A. Vijitra R. Vishnupriya G. Daivaramnesh M. Kartishwaran S. Saundarya R. Surya Prakash R.
Thank you, sir. May now request our beloved professor and head of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Dr. V. Punita Madam, to present the graduates from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering.
I, V. Punita, present unto you the candidates in person in Computer Science and Engineering discipline who have been certified by the examiners to be duly qualified to receive the BE degree of Anna University. Abhijit Varman, M.A. Abhinandan D. Abhita I. Adekala Raja AJ. Adi S. Aishwarya E. Akash Kumar R. Akshay S. Anupama SL. Arun Kumar G. Arun Kumar S. Balachandran G. Bashir Ahmad Y. Bharati R. Saranjit S. Charumati P. Deepika K. Devadarshini M. Danush Kumar R. Darshini R. Giridhar B. Kritika S.R. Harini R. Harini S. Harish V. Harshini S. Hatina Ansi LX, Hidayat Nisha MI, Janani AS, Jeevan Rogit AM, Jasuriya D, Jim Patrick A, Kanimoli C, Karthik Raj TS, Kavya G, Kavi Kumaran S, Kavi Sweta L, Kavya P, Kavya V, Keetana M, Kishore Kumar S, Krishna Kumar V, Kumaravel K, Lakshman Sabarish T, Logita B, Manigandan G, Manoj Michael Raj IA, Mariamal M, Mohammad Arif S, Mohammad Jasim M, Mohammad Omar Jafran M, Moshmi CS, Muthuraja M, Nageshwaran S, Navina S, Nitish Ram R, Niveda K, Pratibha J, Prasanna Venkateshwar DB, Prashanti B, Priyadarshan AS, Priyanka P, Priyanka S, Ram Prasad S, Reshma M, Reshma Banu L, Rinisha Banu H, Sakti Subramaniam K, Sanjay R, Sanjay SP, Shanmugi A, Santosh Kumar R, Charan S, Charan T, Sarat Kumar C, Sharmila R, Sherwin Herald F, Shifa Sujadin, Subhasweta, Sugidha DS, Sona Lipi, Saumya S, Sriniti K, Sriram S, Srivatsan S, Steve Philip S. Sujita T. Surya Prakash S. Surya Prakash R. Swakti Meenakshi M. Sweta R. Tamarai Kani J. Vaishnavi A.R. Varshini M. Vadhiga Harshini M. Velu Ganesh V.S. Vidya Bharati V. Vignesh S. Vignesh Muthu K. Vinith Karthik V. Vishnu C. Vishnu M. Vaikunth S. Yamuna R. Yalini R. Yogalakshmi P. Yuvan Karthik A.B. Praveen Kumar S. Musraf Hussain. And to Wail Ahmed A.R.
Thank you, madam. May I now request Professor and Head of the Department of EC, Dr. M. Shanti, madam, to present the graduates.
of the University. Aisa Tasina M. Abdullah N. Abdul Rahman M. Abhinaya S. Abhishek M. Ajay Pramod A. Ajay S. Akshaya Godina D. Anthony John Jason S. Akshaya M. Akshaya R. Adi Shankar A. Akshaya R. Bhanupriya B. Caroline Ruby S. Charu Darshana M. Devadarshini S. Dharani B. Dhanavidya G. Daniya Lakshmi J. Dinesh Ram R. Dravidamani M. Divya Bharati S. Durgashri R. Gogula Krishnan M.J. Jai Balaji C. Jennifer D. Jayapriya M. Jayashri R.I. Jai Srinivas B. Gerson Benedict Andrew AM. Kamalakannan K. Karishma G. Kartika Devi G. Kavimani A. Kavya S. Kavya KS. Kirtana GR. Kingsley Patrick Joy J. Kishore G. Krishna Kumar K. Kumaragurubaran S. Kumaresan A. Madhumita J. Manigandan R. Manodurga B. Mohammad Shafiqur Rahman. Nagamai N. Nigilesh D. Nigilraj M. Niruban J. Nitisha U. Pavitra B. Pooja B. Purnima S. Preeti B. Priya S. Rahul R. Ratna M. Renuleka P. Reshma E. Ritika M. Rubika M. Sai Ramya BT. Saktivel S. Sanjay M. Santosh N. Santosh S. Santosh Kumar S. Satya B. Shabna K. Shankar B. Sharmila R. Sharmini S. Shashini M. Sivaram R. Srinidhi C. Srinidhi S. Srinivasa Gupta M. Sujita K. Suresh R. Swastika R. Swati IR. Tejashwini S. Tenmoli A. Varadhakrishnan B. Varsha M. Vasantakumar R. Vibhushita MS. Anandakumar MR. Kokila V. Sanmugasundaram R. Catherine J. சாருமதி NB. Thank you.
May I now request Dr. C. Krishna Kumar, sir, Professor and Head Department of TRICHY, to present the graduates.
I, C. Krishna Kumar, present unto you the candidates in person in the Electrical and Electronics Engineering discipline who have been certified in the examiners by the examiners to be duly qualified to receive the BE degree of the Anna University. Ajita B., Akash KB, Akilan R, Aksharastri AR, Amirta P, Anand R, Anand R, Anand Vignesh R, Aravind S, Aravind Roshan R, Aarti S, Arunmozhi P, Arun Shankar T, Ashwin Prasad V, Bharati Priya VA, Dinesh M, Dinesh Kumar M, Divyashree M, Emmanuel S, Ivan Joswin D, Fayasuddin S, Giridharan R, Gokul G, Gokul V, Guru Charan T, Gurunathan G, Harish V, Harni SR, Jagan Nivas M, Janani SV, Jarin Kishore, John Brito, Kalai Bharati, Kritika Reshmi, Lavanya, Madhurambika, Mahibalan, Muhammad Anas, Muhammad Asif, Muhammad Tawfiq, Monica S, Mukesh Arvind SM, Nallakannu, Nancy D. John Paul, Nisha A, Nityashree, Pooja, Pradeep Chandra, Sanjay S, Santhya M, Sarika, Sargurunathan, Saroja Radha, Satish Kumar V, Satish Kumar R, Sendil Kumar R, Shakti Naresh PS, Sheikh Mohammed, Shailesh Rama, Stella Belicia, Subiksha, Sudarshan, Sumitra, Sundaryam, Tendral, Tirumurthy, Yuvasri, Vairavan, Varshini, Vasant R, Vasantakumar J, Veron Lobo, Vignesh, Vijay Sai, Vikash A, Yogeshwaran, Gokul S, Mithun Raja, Ponraj P, Rohit S.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Professor and Head Department of Instrumentation Control Engineering, Dr. S.M. Giriraj Kumar, sir, to present the graduates.
I, S.M. Giriraj Kumar, present on to you the candidates in person in the Instrumentation and Control Engineering discipline who have been certified by the examiners to be duly qualified to receive the BE degree of Anna University. Abdul Javed A, Ajmal Khan S, Akhilan R, Akshay Varshini V, Ashwin Kumar R.S., Benito Richardson D, Bavadarini M.B., Darshan Prabhu G.K., Geeta Ranjani, Hariharan T, Harini Madhumati N, Aishwarya M, Kumaraguru K, Lokesh R, Lokesh S, Manigandan V, Muhammad Javed Ali, Muhammad Tasneen A, Muhammad Tafiq P, Nirmal Vel S, Nitish Anand S, Nitish Kumar R, Nitish Roshan EM, Pooja Vardhani B, Pranav Kumar S, Pranav Sajesh S, Priyadarshini M, Sandhya V, Sharmila Rani A, Shivashankar A, Surya Prakash D, Vasundhara R, Vikram KB, Kabileshwaran R, Kavirasan K, and Satish Kumar M.
Thank you, sir. May I now request the Professor and Head Department of IT, Dr. R. Tilakarasi, Madam, to present the graduates.
I, R. Tilakarasi, present unto you the candidates in person in the Information Technology discipline who have been certified by the examiners to be duly qualified to receive the B.Tech degree of the Anna University. Akshaya V, Anthony Obina, Aragamina JC, Deeptashri S, Dinishri K, Dinesh S, Durga Devi R, Gokul B, Gokula Krishnan N, Hemalata A, Hemalata A, Gokul Poyajas, Hema Malini P, Jayalakshmi L, Janani RS, Jose Emmanuel J, Karanishri S, Karpakalakshmi S, Kartik R, Kartika DR, Kirtana P, Kirtana P, Dinashri, Kritika C, Mageshwaran L, Manashwini H, Mohammed Bilal Jan, MJ, Monisha S, Nalini KG, Priyadarshan M, Rajkumar V, Sabarisan KV, Safrin Fatima R, Shaktivel B, Sandana Priya K, Saranya B, Shelva Prakash B, Sharon R, Sivagiri V S, Sneha S, Subbalakshmi S, Subha Ilakhya P, Sudarshan S, Tagasin M, Tangastri R, Vaishnavi M, Valliyamai A, Vignesh R, Vigneshwar S, Vijayalakshmi S, Vinod Kumar M, Vishnuvardhan G, Yohapriya S, Yuvaraja J, Ilango K, Kavi Bharati D A, Sabarishwaran G. Thank you.
I, R. Rekha, present unto you the candidates in person in the mechanical engineering discipline who have been certified by the examiners to be duly qualified to receive the BE degree of Anna University. Adil Ahmed M, Abdullah H, Abhishek R, Adekalavan A, Adinathan C, Ajay Kumar R, Ajay Priyakar M, Akash Somasundaram D, Anand S, Anthony Rosario A, Anushri Dinesh, Aravindan S, Arvind Kumar P, Arvind Raj V, Harihara Sudan S, Arun B, Arun Pandian P, Arun Prasad V, Ashwath Thaman K, Ashwin Babu B, Ashwin Kanna R, Ashwin Kumar V, Ayyappan M, Ayub Ahmed N, Bharat M, Bharat Kalyan M, Bharati Kannan R, Chandru V, Sinesh R, Ishwar T, Ganesh Kumar M, Gangaraj G, Giriharan S, Gokul K, Gokula Krishnan B, Gokula Rajan M, Gokul Raj P, Guna S, Hafiz Ahmed R, Hariharan G, Irfan G, Jeevanandam R, Kabilan G, Karthik N, Karthik B, Karthishwaran R, Kashyapan B, Kirtiga PV, Kelvin Christopher G, Madhavan S, Mangalaraman K, Manigandan V, Manigandan M, Manoj N, Mohammad Askar S, Mohan Kumar R, Mukesh Khanna MA, Muttamil Chelvan R, Natraj R, Naveen Kumar J, Naveen Prashant B, Naveen Ganeshan M, Pandian C, Pari T, Prakash P, Prashant NK, Praveen Ajay M, Pugalishwaran J, Pugalendran S, Rahul S, Rahul T, Ramesh Krishnan A, Sabarishwaran K, Santosh M, Satya M, Sibi Pragadish A, Snow Bijesh M, Sridhar A, Sri Hari Manigandan, Sri Vasant S, Sudarshan C, Sundar K, Surender D, Suranesh P, Vasant V, Vasant Chakravarti M, Venkatesh M, Venkatraman PR, Vetrivel AM, Vignesh KR, Vimal Raj M, Vishal Raghavendra V, Vishnu M, Yuvaraj R, Hariharan MG, Harish Khanna S, Lakshmi Narayanan A, Narayana Prabhu T, Sharat Krishna B, Sri Ram V, Vasant V, Vignesh R, Vignesh S, Karthikeyan A.
I, V. Punita, present unto you the candidates in person in computer science and engineering discipline who have been certified by the examiners to be duly qualified to receive the ME degree of Anna University. Abhinaya S. Manisha B.S.
I am Shanti, present unto you the candidates in person in the communication systems discipline who have been certified by the examiners to be duly qualified to receive the MA degree of Anna University. Kesavan A.
I, C. Krishna Kumar, present unto you the candidates in person in the power electronics and drive discipline who have been certified by the examiners to be duly qualified to receive the ME degree of the Anna University. Durga Devi A, Muthu Mariammal A, Netra M.
Yes, sir. I, K. Karthikeyan, present unto you the candidates in person in the Department of Management Studies who have been certified by the examiners to be duly qualified to receive the MBA degree of the Anna University. Abhinaya K, Adi Lakshmi N, Aditya Mugil G, Akshaya R, Aruna D, Bala Subramanian V, Bavitra Lakshmi P, Chittu T, Danya KN, Divyashri S, Gunasri J, Harini R, Harini S, Harshavardhani Badmaja V, Kasturi Rangan S, Kirtana A, Kolapan Karthik M, Mageshwari R, Mohan Raj T, Naveen Kumar V, Nahal Fahad M, Rangaraj N,
Reshma Shamili R, Rudran N, Sabarish Srihari C, Saktivel S, Satyan G, Sirpa S, Sriram V, Tilagavadi K, Venkatakrishnan S, Vijay G. Thank you.
May we now request our respected Secretary Sir to present the thank you card to the May we now request the graduates to rise up and repeat the pledge after the principal. May we now request the graduates to rise up and repeat the pledge after the principal.
We shall in thought, word and deed, ever endeavor to be scrupulously honest in the discharge of our duties in our profession, and shall uphold the dignity and integrity of our profession and the honor of our college and the university. We shall uphold and advance social order and the well-being of our fellow members, and shall devote all our energy to promote unity, integrity, and the secular ideal of our country.
Please remain standing without repeating anything.
By virtue of authority vested in me as the principal of Saranathan College of Engineering, I admit you to several degrees for which you have been declared qualified, and in token whereof I permit you to wear the academic robes arranged as in the signia of your degrees.
Dear graduates, you may please be seated.
I dissolve this graduation day ceremony.
May we now request our respected Secretary Sir to present the thank you card. Right. Thank you. To our Honorable Vice Chancellor as a token of respect. Give them a big round of applause. Let us all rise for the national anthem.
जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जाहे तव शुभ आशीष माहे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you. The fresh graduates are required to remain standing while the academic procession leaves the auditorium after the conferment of the degrees. Congratulations to our graduates. We are all proud of you. You worked hard, you succeeded, and now you should celebrate. This day signifies a new beginning for each and every one of you. As improving individuals, as they continue with the journey, may they look back to the stage in their life with fondness and pride. Congratulations. Enjoy your day of celebration with your family and friends. Thank you, and may God bless all of you. Good luck. You are all invited to join for the feast tonight You are all invited to join us for the feast tonight. An important appeal to all the fresh graduates: kindly ensure safe driving while returning at the end of the day of enchantment and excitation.